reviewing a brand new mini palette that just came out from Nars. It's available at Sephora right now. They came out with a lot of new minis. They have bronzers. Definitely check it out. So the one I picked up is the mini Orgasm Eyeshadow Palette. I do have the Orgasm blush and I really like it. I have the lipstick and it's really pretty. So here on the top it shows you the colors that we're gonna get. I don't see any reviews at Sephora at the moment. This retails for $25. Getting minis, wow, this is tiny. I have reviewed a bunch of like mini palettes from like Huda and stuff, but this is tiny. It's really tiny, but the packaging looks really cute. So let's open it up. Oh, okay, so it comes with a mirror. Obviously it has a film, that's why it looks like that, but that's cute. And look at this, the colors are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Of course we're gonna do swatches. I'm gonna see if I can create a look with this. Nars, so I wouldn't expect it to be super affordable. $25, I don't know. It's really small, but so it says it's a travel size Orgasm Eyeshadow Palette featuring 6 pink, peach, and neutral shades. Signature universally flattering orgasm glow is now imagined in a mini palette of pinks, pops, and pearlescent luminosity for the most desired eyes. 6 shades create endless pleasure and passion. Swipe on provocation. So each shadow is 0.02 ounces. Colors you get are Full Moon, which is a metallic pale pink, Danger Girl, which is a matte coral, Wild One, which is a metallic golden pink, Pitaya, which is a sparkling iridescent copper, and Seduced, which is a sparkling amber. Do look absolutely gorgeous, and I'm glad that you get a matte here because I don't like an all matte or all shimmer. I have palettes like that before. I don't hate them, but I prefer a mixture, you know. And before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Start with the swatches. Alright, so here are the 6 swatches. I think they look beautiful. Look at this one. Imagine that. Such a nice wet look. Imagine it like in the inner corner or something. Let's see what we come up with. Obviously the coral, I'm thinking to put it like as the transition shade. We'll see how that looks. And you have these 2 beautiful like shimmers. Let's prime the eye. I'm gonna use this Lorac eyeshadow primer. There. I'm gonna use this Vasanti concealer buffer. You can always use your finger. I just really enjoy this brush. I got it in an Ipsy bag. Now we're gonna go with this color here. I'm using a MAC 224. Let me take off this film so I can actually see myself. I'm gonna apply that right there in the crease. I'm just going back and forth, and I am applying it also a little bit higher because I have hooded eyes, so you can actually see it. Bringing it just a little bit inwards, not too much. I also want to take that color and put it on the lower lash. This is the Zoeva Spot Liner brush, super tiny. Alright, so this is like the darkest shade we have here. Would have liked maybe just something a little bit darker just because I love like being able to create a smoky look, but that's just me. But these colors are just gorgeous. Going with this shade right here. I'm gonna be using this brush from Japanesque. Is the 346. It's like a smudge eyeshadow brush. So I'm taking this color here. Just gonna start placing it like towards the middle. Let me try to apply it with my finger and see which method I prefer. The only thing is that the brush is going to give you a more precise application, so. Alright, I am getting fallout, so be careful with that. I'm going to brush it off. Don't want to mess up your foundation. I'm going to switch the brush and going with this shade here. Yeah, I definitely prefer with the finger, or maybe if you can wet the brush first. Alright, so I don't find like that it's super intense. I've definitely had some that I have reviewed that I apply like this and you get lots of colors. This is more like super delicate. I just want to make sure that those two colors are really like well blended so it doesn't look like you just pressed it on there. You don't want to buff around that like glitter or shimmer too much because it does fall everywhere. I'm gonna apply this shade. I think it looks like the most beautiful one to me. Taking this e.l.f. eye crease brush and I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner. Gorgeous. And that just opens up the eye so beautifully. You can also use this one to put it like all over the lid. Maybe I'll do a second look with this one, but I'm thinking like this matte color and then putting this one all over the lid. Wow. I'm gonna move on to the eyeliner. In this Huda Beauty Dual Eyeliner. I'm also gonna go with the other end and apply some liner to the lower lash. But you can always like skip this if you wanted to leave it like a daytime look, then I would skip this. But if you wear liner in the waterline daytime or nighttime, then we can continue with this step. I do want to smudge that liner a bit, not just leave it so harsh. So I'm gonna take this color here with this pencil brush from MAC and just smudge it a bit. And gonna dust under my eyes because wow, the fallout is unbelievable. Just gonna curl my lashes, apply some Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara, Clinique bottom lash mascara, the Eyeliner Luxe Silk Marquise lashes, Fenty Beauty Sweet Mouth Lip Balm. Just close my eyes so you can see how it looks. My final thoughts are, basically I enjoyed the colors except these two. I just don't think that they give enough like pigment. This is a really nice, like I said, delicate palette, not like the fallout at all. Some palettes I use have fallout, but when you try to wipe it off with a brush it comes off, but not this one. Like I have literally glitter all over. My fault, I should have put something underneath. Really cute, the colors are nice. Just get one matte, so keep that in mind. I thought it was a really nice color. It works perfectly as transition. Wouldn't say it's a must, but it's really cute. It's a nice size, great for traveling. It's not heavy whatsoever. Wouldn't be my number one choice. I would definitely like purchase a Huda palette a million times. Like their minis, love them. Pigmentation is beautiful. They have the nudes, they have colorful ones, but this one is nice too. I'm not saying it's not nice, it's just not my first option. I love the matte, it blended so beautifully. So if you love collecting like minis, it's really cute. I'll just zoom in again. Beautiful colors like for summer and spring. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.